Welcome to a new video. Today we are actually not playing with this thing. We are also not playing with that, but we are playing with this. Well, we're not playing with it. I'm showing you it. And no, I did not buy that. Well, yes, I did buy that, but no, it's not me. For me, it's not mine. It's not gonna stay here. It's just here, and ideally it doesn't even need work, but maybe some unpimping, as you might see at a glance, because no, it is not. This is a 2001 Focus Mark 1, obviously, 3-door, and it has the 1.6 liter Zetec-S or Zetec-SE engine with 100 brutal horsepower. And as you can see, it was well loved by its previous owner, like properly, and tastefully modified. As you can see, the proper combination of it's gonna be near 10 centimeter, like almost 4-inch exhaust from the local parts store, ATU, the Germans are gonna know where that is, combined with a trailer hitch, because why wouldn't you? Quality pinstriping, and well, we already had that one, but 2 is better than 1. And otherwise, on the outside, we know this one, and more pinstriping in the front, another ST badge front and rear, just to make sure it's an ST, because you know everything adds horsepower. And on the inside we do find a box standard Focus non-ST. Front and back, parcel shelf, because tires on the back. Oh, we got a free empty bottle, might even be 25 cents up front. Yeah, it's just like bone stock, really. Oh yeah, quality job of applying the window tint. But hey, if you get far away from it, it's actually fine. And other than that, let's get in here. So, nice and warm in here. As you can see today outside, it's just on and off rain, and sometimes even sun, but mostly just rain. And anyway, in here we have more tasteful modifications, like this. Can't even see what it is. B umlaut A ZD. I don't even know. Crap. Aluminum shifter feels like no, just no. Same goes for this, although this isn't aluminum. This is plastic, because why would it be? Oh, look. Bonus. Came with the car. It's mine now. Well, not, well, whatever. I don't want it. We have, like any good used car, no service history, no book, no nothing. Just doesn't exist. So, your guess is as good as everybody else's guess. Stock radio, stock CD radio. CD changer compatible. Look at that. High tech from 20 years ago. But we are not done. We have more features in here. Aside from the ugliest steering wheel controls for a radio that I've ever seen. To be fair, they didn't get much better until like 2 or 3 years ago in a Focus. A little bit better than that, but not much. They are better in my most recent Focus. But yeah, it has AC, it has rear and front defroster, which is not that bad. What else does it have? It has power windows, power doors. We have a selection of 3 keys, 3 different ones. We have the good old classic basic key. We have an old style remote with a carbon fiber wrap on it. That doesn't work. The key does, the remote doesn't. And we have a way too new looking for this remote, which actually works. But this key doesn't mechanically work, although it's supposed to. And it kind of looks like it should in terms of like mechanical looks. And but yeah, it doesn't. But the highlight of this car is, let's have a look. I need the ignition for that, because I don't know if you noticed, there's something down here, but something goes in here. When we turn this on, nope, I think we need actually running car, huh? Nope. Oh, wait, come on. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. These are literally just generic LED strips. Oh yeah, look at that. You can even slide the inner. Look at that. Look at that thing. Quality. Anyway, let's get this off. Put that away. Put that back where it belongs. And turn this off. Some more details about this, about condition, price, and all that good stuff, because you might be interested in that too. Because obviously things on this channel are probably going to be cheap, and so is this. Okay, it's 20 years old, so it doesn't have much right to be expensive. This 2001 has 185, I believe, thousand kilometers on it, and has inspection until March next year. And the seller was asking €1,000 or best offer, and after test driving it, which is surprisingly fine, except for the clutch being possibly on its way out and the leakage of the power steering pump. Oh yeah, I wanted to see if I could possibly catch that. Oh yeah, right there you can see it's kind of wet, everything back there, and that's like below the power steering pump, which is what we suspect is a problem, because it's actually quite common. A little side note, where is it? Oh yeah, can you read that? It's proper OEM filter from Ford, Fomoco. I didn't expect to find that. But yeah, another little surprise that I found, aside from more really bad tint, like really bad, is down here is a fire extinguisher, which even has pressure still. It is mounted properly. I haven't seen a date on it. Go away, LED thing. Haven't seen a date on it. I don't know how old or recent the last service of it is, but it's surely not a bad thing to have. You know, I mean, instead of a service book. Oh, never mind. How blind was I? Oh, would you look at that? I looked there, didn't I? And I looked there when I bought it. And I looked there earlier when I filmed the rest of the video. And, well, it's nice to have. What is this? Maybe papers for the exhaust or the wheels. Who knows? Manual. Ooh, service. Let's have a look. 4.4. First inspection was 4.4, yeah. Warranty started 7th of April 2001. Only 1 year. Interesting. Oh, it's a Futura. It's a, yeah, I don't even. 5-speed, 1.6i, we knew that. What else do we have here? That's apparently who bought it. Might have to blur that out, I don't know. So what do we have? Do we have any history? We do have an early history. 11, 27, 40, 55, 73, 86. 86, 123, 128, 137, 147, 171. It's not over yet. 27, 27. I guess it's a different one. Ooh, timing belt at 123 in 2013. That's actually good to know. Anything else? The last one here is 121. No. Okay, but we have two more very helpful information details. First of all, we have a service at 171 in 2020, I believe. And I think I actually saw stickers on that matter. Hold on. 171. Let's jump over here. No, that's 147. That's something older. Didn't I see something somewhere? Maybe in the engine bay. Let's have a look in the engine bay. At this point, you know how to open it without taking 3 attempts in 5 minutes. I still need 2 hands? Yes, I do. No, I don't. 171, April 2020. This car is technically serviced, I guess. I believe there was a gap in there from like 80 to 120 or something, because 123. Oh, actually, hold on. Oh yeah, no, that's 121 had a service, 114 and 101. But back here, that's a weird arrangement here. Here we had 86 as the last one. Okay, so 86 in 2008 November. And then 123 5 years later, but 27, 2010. Yeah, so 8 is 73 before the 80 something, and 07 2 years later. No, 2010. Yeah, 2 years later at 101. That's like 20,000. No, like 13, 15,000 or whatever it was. And it's 10, 11, 13, 121 at 13. Oh, that's when they did the timing belt, huh? 16th of April. Oh, okay, they're 4 months later. Barely driven. They did the timing belt. And then we have 15. Barely driven again. 5,000 kilometers in, oh no, 14. Next service, 15. So yeah, still 5,000 kilometers in a year. And then 15, 17. Okay, I didn't see a service in 16, but again, it was 10,000 kilometers. So. And then we go to 2020. So there's a little jump in there of like 30,000 kilometers. Not too horrible. Not too bad. So yeah. Oh, did I say it? I don't know. We agreed on 750 euros for this thing, as it sits. And I think I've made worse deals. So you might be wondering, why is this here? Well, long story short, this goes to a friend of mine called Benny, because he doesn't have enough cars. He only has like 10 to, let's call it 10 to 15, yeah. Roughly. 10 to 15 complete cars. No, it's complete cars in different stages. And this is supposed to be his new daily driver, because he doesn't want to put 50,000 kilometers a year on his Sierra oldtimer, or his Espace oldtimer, or his W115 Mercedes, or any of the other cars he has running and not running. So that's why he was looking for one of those, and I happened to stumble over one just outside my door. Basically, it was like 7 minutes away from here. Zetec-SE 1.6 16 valve. Let's not comment on that. That's definitely the way it's supposed to be. car looks pretty dry. The alternator was replaced not too long ago, just based on the looks of it. Everything looks pretty dry up here. A little bit of oil near the filler point, but it's not too horrible. The only thing that isn't high is the power steering fluid, but that's possibly not a problem for me. We'll see. As you can see, my strut bar, like, amazing. Just more tuning. But other than that, there's a whole lot of nothing in this engine bay. You can see how much space there is. It's like, it is hilarious to me. Like, there's nothing going on here, is there? But yeah, I don't think there's many things that I'm going to be doing on this car. Maybe with Benny together when he gets here. The car's going to be picked up this weekend, as in today's Monday. He's going to get here on Friday evening and going to take it home on Saturday. So we'll see if things are going to happen to the car beforehand or when he's here. If yes, you will find out right here on this channel. And until then, have fun.